Hello, this is a continuation of day 2. I got 3 more topics I want to discuss with the advanced programming students. Kind of overview of this first module and module number 1. Then get into the login procedure with the advanced programming web resource and maybe guide you with completing the pre-test in module 1 to conclude with day 2. So I am logged into advanced programming. I'm in the module section, just getting done with the overview of the software a little bit. And so if I drop down to module 1, you see an overview page. So I'm asking everybody, click on the first level there, module 1, which then expands up and is a presentation of what module 1 looks like. Again, there is a hyperlink of this advanced programming web resource right there at the top. There is a section with objective and a basic paragraph of what this unit is about. Again, it's do while and looping, so you're getting into looping structures. These are the concepts that I think you should be able to understand. Then there is a notes section. Then there is an assignment section. Then there's a quiz section, and again, once again, there's an advanced programming link at the very bottom. So real quick, these are just screenshots. That's all they are. There's no links here that you can open up. This is just screenshot that mirrors the module inside the advanced programming web resource. So that's why I'm going to go there right now. I'm going to right click and have you guys right click over advanced programming, click on open link in a new tab. So by clicking that, that should open up the advanced programming web resource. So like up above in the welcome message, I've given you guys the credential. And again, if you had me in past years for programming, it's the same credentials, lab 2122 followed by Bobcats, and Bobcats is all in lowercase as you log in. So for me to have you guys get to module 1, you can see the first, second, third, fourth 9 weeks. If you can expand the first 9 weeks, open up the first 9 weeks, and then you see 2 modules. Module 1 and module 2, there's only going to be 2 modules for the first 9 weeks. So I'm now going to click and open up module number 1. Once again, you see a short description of this objective. You see the what you guys going to be able to get into this module, the concepts and the procedures. Down below, you see notes. Again, assignments, and then the quiz again. So this is a point that you're going to have to get to when working with this. So we're going to get into some example problems. We're going to start this class, and most willing going to go in. This first example very well may be a review of concepts from last year, and then you're going to, for the most part, move on with some looping concepts. If I can have you guys teardrop down to the assignment section, what I'm going to have you guys do is maybe roll through just the pre-test, the pre-assessment of this. So if you can hover over the module 1 and right click and open the pre-test, you'll see a generic page that opens up that's asking you to click on the link to open up the module pre-test. And the directions just basically saying these are some meaningful questions related to Visual Basic. So I'm going to right click over the module project practice test, and I'm going to open that tab as well, to where you then see the actual interface. So I'm calling for you to put your first and last name above. You see there's approximately 7 true and false questions, and then it drops down to 8 through 15 multiple choice questions. So put your name, answer the question, and then by hitting this button at the bottom, grade and submit, that's going to kick the results back into my email. So this would be the conclusion of day 2, is having you guys work through this pre-test. As we move forward in day 3, I will then be talking about going back up to the notes. And if I flop back over, well, we're going to be going up in the notes and doing some of this new concepts here. So complete the day by working through the pre-test. That would be great.